This child carries rhythm in his blood. The ancestors have chosen him.
Long before pride found its way into his heart, before the applause, before the fame, there was a child chosen by the ancestors. In the village of Aquana, destiny did not whisper. It thundered.
As the
No
years
one plays
passed,
like
Boy
Obina!
became a legend. When Obina played, the earth trembled with joy. Farmers worked harder. Warriors stood taller. Even the sick found strength in his rhythm. But praise is a dangerous drumbeat. If listened to for too long, it changes the heart.
Why is there no sound?
This is not ordinary.
And then, the drum fell silent. Not because the wood was broken. Not because the skin was weak. But because something deeper had shifted.